Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a viewer to your workspace. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go left down corner and then just click on admin. When you're going to be here, you just want to click on users, and here you want to click invite members. When you're going to do it, you're going to see you can invite as a member or you can invite him as a viewer. So that's like another way. And then you just write here the mail, right? And you just click here invite. And that's pretty much how we do it. And this is how you can simply invite viewer to your monday.com. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.